Hello, my name is Sterling Knight, Hague certified. I work with Next Level Roofing and Exteriors. Today we are at June Limison. Claim number is 700-921-2445-1. We'll be performing a simulated shingle repair today. I'll be removing the wind damaged shingle right here and then putting it back and seeing if we can do it without causing any harm or damage to the existing shingle. So let's go ahead and get started. So this does have staples, so today we'll be replacing those with nails. Alright, so I was able to remove the shingle. Probably a lot of staples in there. There is already a lot of granular loss, as you can see. How much just came off that. And then same thing with up here right now. So we'll see how much comes out once we get the entire shingle put back in there. But Yeah. There's a pull through right here. Since I'm just right here, I'm gonna.
Do you wanna?
Tap it on there a bit. Okay. So, I'm gonna say that was extremely difficult to do. Judging from this, so this is the next one up. So I didn't take this out, but this was a pull through and this has been pulled up, and that's more than likely just from this. So as you can see, there's lots of granular loss on these.
On this pull through right here.
Here, hold this down here. You can see there's lots of granular loss everywhere. I mean, there's so much I can't tell what's coming from this or what's down here. Like it's pretty bad. So even these upper pieces, like look at the loss from there. Not to mention, I mean, staples. You're gonna be up here for a while. So I would say that this is a fail for a repair test. There's no way that I'm going to be able to take out shingles and replace them and have it
Ton
still
of
be
granular
functional. Like,
loss.
look right here. You have a whole, yeah, see, there's just a lot. So, yeah, this is definitely a fail.
You read it over here now?
No way that we're going to be able to bring this customer or homeowner back to pre-loss conditions by doing a repair.